Coming out of Captain Hook, 323. Captain Hook, 323. All bags and persons will be due to searches. If you guys have any weapons, knives, firearms, selfie sticks,
Not yet.
wagons
Okay,
of
move,
any
Ali, come here,
kind,
move a little bit
please
more.
return to your vehicles. Those are prohibited items.
Or my,
Will not hold on to them for you. Please watch your head.
there you go.
Once
I want
again,
the plug.
you guys are coming out of Captain Hook. Three,
Look, I want the plugger, please.
2, 4, 3,
Look, I want the
23.
plugger, please.
Plenty of seats in the front, guys. Plenty of seats in the front. Go ahead and find that last available seat.
Look, I want the plugger,
There you
please.
go. Hang on, not yet.
No, basta, no. No te molestes. Bueno, a mí también me molesta.
Cheese, look at cheese.
Strollers must be folded. E4 boarding.
Look at mama.
Cheese.
Look at cheese. Cheese. Look, cheese. Come on, cheese. Liam, look up. Liam, look at. Mila, cheese, smile.
Cheese.
All right, families, we're looking pretty packed this morning. We're going to call for that no further boarding. No further boarding at this time, guys.
Sorry, girl. You okay? Nice squishy.
All right, families, for those of you guys on board, trams are prone to sudden acceleration and braking. Please hold on to those small children and loose articles. If anything is to fall, let it go. Let me know at our next stop. I'll definitely retrieve that item back for you. Please remain seated throughout the duration of our trip. Sit back, relax. Driver, you are clear for dispatch.
Chica.
I know. I'm gonna find you a Disney hat.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
All right, family, thank you for visiting us today at the Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom Park. Now, our Magic Kingdom Park will be open until 10 p.m. Yes, you heard correctly, 10 p.m. is our closing time, with the last running courtesy tram 90 minutes after the park closes, which means at 11:30 is the last chance you villains can get a ride back out to your vehicles parked in Captain Hook. 322, 323. That's the most important piece of information you guys can take down all day, is where you park your car. The worst thing ever is walking around our fourth biggest parking lot in the world looking for one vehicle.
322, 327.
Now today, families, at 2
322.
o'clock, we do have our Festival of Fantasy Parade.
It's only
Weather
322
permitting, these clouds looking like they're getting a little dark. And at
Oh, I didn't
8:30,
know
High
about the
Above
number
Cinderella's
though.
beautiful castle.
But they'll drop us off at
That's when our
320,
fireworks show
322.
happily ever after will be.
Well, we know
Weather
we're right, like,
permitting.
by the tram, so.
Uh-huh.
Hey. Mila,
It's okay.
you have your head.
She is.
All right, family. Today, where we drop you off is where we expect to pick you guys right next up. Since you guys are on where we villains, we're gonna be leaving you guys at our villain
So this
load
one
zone.
is usually
Now the villain's load zone, driver clear. Now the villain's load zone is identified by red umbrellas. Where you see those red umbrellas is where you want to be when you want to ride back out to your vehicles later. And Today, families, when we do exit, please only exit to my driver's left-hand side and left-hand side only. Mano izquierda solamente. Now the left-hand side will be the side with security, the side with the silver handrails, and more importantly, the side with all the magic. Now once we come to that fully complete stop, you guys will then lift up on the handles and out on our doors. It's going to be up on the handles, out on our doors. All 35 doors to the driver's left can open. All 35 doors to my driver's right stay closed. And if you guys have any wheelchairs or strollers to finish setting up today, please make sure that you guys are fully past the silver handrails. As you can tell, we are extremely busy and do have more villains to go and attend to.